Good morning to all. 6th standard biology. Topic root system. We already studied two types of system in a plant, shoot system and also root system. In shoot system we studied stem and leaf also. Okay. Today you studied shoot system. Okay. You take your book, science book, page number 57. A small activity first. Okay. Root are necessary for the healthy growth of plants. Okay. The root is a very important component of the plant system. As without the presence of a root, the plant ceases to exist. Okay, this is because the root perform three major functions. First, we dig out two weeds of the same kind of the soil. You take a plant, weed means plant, and two parts with soil, blade and corpy. Okay. First you dig out two weeds of the same kind of the soil. Second, take care not to break their roots while pulling them out. Okay. Then the plant one of them in part A. Then cut the root of the other plant, it is in part B. You take two part A and part B. First part A, a full plant is inside. Okay. Second part B, you cut the root only. In a plant, you cut the root only. Okay. Water both of them regularly for a few days. What do you see? A plant in part A is growing healthy, but the plant in part B is very weak and dying. So, root are necessary for healthy growth of plants. Okay. Then you say the second activities. First you take weeds of gram and maize and cotton wool, 2 small bowls and water. Okay, you take weeds of gram and maize, cotton wool, 2 small bowls and water also. Place wet cotton wool in the 2 bowls. Okay, first place wet cotton wool in the 2 bowls. Second, put a few maize seeds in one bowl and gram seeds in another one bowl. Okay. Keep the cotton wool wet until the seeds sprout and grow into saplings. Then try to separate the saplings from the cotton wools. You see, force need to be applied to separate the sapling from the cotton wool. So, what do you understand? Roots hold the plants firmly to the soil. Your conclusion is roots hold the plants firmly to the soil. Okay. Then you see the next picture. Take a turn the page number 58. Activity 8. Okay. This activity shows root of maize and gram are different. Root maize oda root gram oda root different இருக்கும். You see, a young chapel, you take a young sapling of maize and gram. Okay. Pull out the sapling of maize and gram from the soil. Then take care not to break their roots while pulling them out. Observe their root and compare. You see the page number 58, figure 7.16. Okay. A. Roots of maize. Okay, the first one, roots of maize. B, the root of gram. The roots of maize are different from that of gram. Okay, these are small activities. Okay, so roots are very important parts. Okay, root is the part of the plant that is found under the soil. Okay, it provides stability to the plant and also absorb water and minerals. It is non-green one. The root grows into the soil and away from the light. Okay, the root is non-green one. The root grows into the soil and away from the light. Okay, yeah. Then we goes to the types of roots. Okay, there is two types of roots. What are they? The first one is taproot. The second one is lateral. Sorry, ma. The second one is fibrous root. Okay. There are two major types of roots that exist in plant, and there are first one taproot, then second one fibrous root. Okay, yeah. First one taproot. It is formed, you see the picture, it is formed by the baby root. It is formed by the baby root. Okay, yeah. And the center, a broad root you see, that is a primary root. Then secondary roots are seen, then tertiary roots are you see in the picture. Okay. It is formed by the baby root radicle, which comes out from the germinating seed. It is the main primary root arises from the lower end of the stem. A number of tiny branches called secondary roots. Okay, yeah. About taproot, you see the taproot, primary root, secondary root, and tertiary roots are you see. This is called taproot. For example, mustard, neem, rose, etc. Okay, the secondary roots are called another one name lateral roots. Okay, yeah. The main root is called primary, then the secondary roots are called lateral roots. Okay, you see the picture. Then fibrous root, a bunch or cluster. You see the picture, a bunch or cluster of roots arises from the base of the stem and spread out in the soil. A bunch or cluster of roots arises from the base of the stem. Base of the stem, the root are arised. Okay, and spread out in the soil. For example, wheat, maize, etc. Wheat and maize, etc. Okay, then you say the important notes. Taproots are found plants having leaves with a reticulate venation, while fibrous roots are found in plants having leaves with parallel venation. Okay, yeah. You listen. Leaf venation and the type of roots found in plants are related. You already studied here leaf venation in leaf. Two types of leaf venation you studied. First one what? First one is what venation? A reticulate venation. And also another one what? What venation? Reticulate and parallel venation. Okay, yeah. The taproot are found plants have leaves with reticulate venation, while fibrous root are found in plants having leaves with parallel venation. Okay, taproot la reticulate venation you see, then fibrous root la you see parallel venation. Okay, then roots functions. Next topic, root functions. 5 types of functions in root. The first one, root absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Okay. Second one, root help the soil to stand erect. நம்ம backbone, human beings la backbone use ஆகிற மாதிரி the same one root help to the plant. Okay. Then third one, roots check soil erosion, the important one. The root check soil to the erosion. The roots of trees bind the soil and thus prevent the soil erosion. Okay. Then root store food. Then prop roots offer extra support. Okay. Yeah. 5 important functions. Root absorb water and minerals. Then root help to stand erect. Then check soil erosion. Then store food. And prop roots offer extra supports. Okay, yeah. The first one, deeply studied, 3 main headings function. First one, roots modified for the storage of food. Okay, yeah, the roots modified for the storage of food. Root-ஓட part eatable part மாறிரும். For example, sweet potato, beetroots, carrot, radish. Okay. For example, carrot, radish, turnip, beetroot, sweet potato. Okay. The root may show certain changes in their shape, size or structures for performing special function. Listen, root may show certain changes in their shape, size or structure for performing a special functions. These roots are called modified root. Okay. These roots are called modified root. Example, we find such root in carrot, radish, turnip, beetroot and sweet potato, etc. Okay. Then second heading, roots modified to provide support to the plant. For example, you see the banyan tree, a big one. Yes. In a banyan tree, you might have noted root-like roots coming out from the branches and hanging downwards. These roots give support to the branches. They are called the supporting roots or the prop roots. Okay, yeah, PROP, prop roots. Listen, in a banyan tree, you might have noted a root like roots coming out from the branches and hanging downwards. அப்படி தொங்கிக்கிட்டு இருக்கும் கீழ்ப்பக்கமா. These roots give support to the branches. They are called the supporting roots or prop roots. You see the pictures. Okay. The prop roots are you see. Next, roots modified to be a nodals. Nodals means வேர் முடிச்சுக்கள். Okay, it's seen only the nitrogen fixation rhizobium. The bacteria name is rhizobium. Then the plant name is gram and pulses. Okay, on the roots of gram and other pulses, a rhizobium, a nitrogen fixing bacteria make its home in the form of small swelling. The swelling are termed as nodals. Okay, listen, in this plant gram or other pulses plants, in the root side rhizobium, the name of bacteria rhizobium are seen. It is fixed to the nitrogen in the soil. The nitrogen is absorbed by the plant root. Okay, so the plant give a place to living. At the same time, the bacteria gives a nutrition to the plant. Okay, yeah, it's a mutual understanding. So root modified to bear nodals For example, pulses. Okay, the root. Today we studied the topic root. Root is a part of the plant that is found under the soil. It is a non-green root grows. Okay, two types of root: taproot, fibrous root. Okay, taproot and fibrous root. The taproot are found in plants having leaves with reticulate venation, while fibrous root are found in plants having leaves with a parallel venation. Okay, is a venation and root are related. Okay, functioning, root function. Root absorb water and nutrition from the soil. Then root help the plant to stand erect. Root check soil erosion. Root store food. Prop roots after extra supporting. Okay, these are root. So, students, Allah studied the page number. You read the page number 57 to 59. Okay, you studied the 59. Next, we will meet the new topic, flower. So, you study the pages. Read the pages and study. Okay, thank you.